Good morning. I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. Today is Monday, August 23rd, and this is your opening bell market update. U.S. stock futures are trading higher today despite a lack of major economic reports due out. European markets rose, which may have helped to boost U.S. markets due to a fresh round of merger and acquisition activity. Potential acquisitions are a sign that companies are confident the economy will grow and business will improve. In corporate news, HSBC Holdings is in talks to buy a controlling stake in Nedbank Group of South Africa from Old Mutual for up to $6.8 billion. Potash Corporation of Saskatchewan urged its shareholders to reject BHP Billiton's approximately $39 billion unsolicited bid and said that it is in talks with third parties to figure out an alternative. Taking a look at market futures this morning, the Dow Jones Industrial Average trading 37 points above fair value, the S&P 500 futures trading about 5 3/4 points above fair value, and the Nasdaq Composite trading 11 3/4 points above fair value. Now for more perspective on what's happening in the markets today, let's turn it to Andy Zamfotis from Legard Capital. Good morning, Andy.
Morning, Christy. Well, stocks are going to look to see if they can rebound after last week's declines. We had a pretty volatile second half of last week after some disappointing economic data. This week, the earnings calendar is light, but there is some economic news, so investors will be watching for that. We get the Chicago Fed today, we get home sales tomorrow, and then durable goods on Wednesday. So some pretty important data points. We are towards the end of August, so we're not expecting a ton of volume this week. But these data points, just like last week, will probably be just as important. So any big negative surprises there could impact the market. On the M&A front, we had a very busy week last week. This week looks to be starting on a pretty high note as well. Potash, their board officially rejected BHP's unsolicited offer. The company also said that there's been a number of third parties that have taken interest in the company. So Potash shares are up about 2%. We've had some news overseas between SAB Miller and the beer company Foster's out of Australia. There's supposedly interest there. And then also this morning we have news that HP is now making a rival bid for 3PAR. You remember last week Dell offered $18 a share for the company. Now HP is offering $24 a share, so a significant premium. So we'll see how that kind of plays out. Other stocks in the news, Lowe's was upgraded by Goldman Sachs to buy. And also Barron's had a pretty good write-up of Air Products, the chemical company. A lot of stocks in the news today. The S&P right now is kind of in a no man's land. It did hold support last week around the 1060-ish level. So we'll see if we can hold that and possibly get some kind of bounce. But if we break down below there, we could very well revisit the July lows. So we'll be keeping an eye there. But unless we get some big news or some big surprises, to the downside, I expect the market for the most part to kind of chop sideways this week.
Thanks, Andy. I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. For more news and market analysis, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's Trade the Trend. Also visit our website, tradethetrend.com, for more headlines.
Trade the Trend with a free 14-day trial from SmarTrend, the equity trend alert system that helps you discover the right stocks at the right time. SmarTrend takes the guesswork and emotions out of investing and gives you real-time unique indicators of stocks on the move. SmarTrend uses a proprietary system developed by financial market and computer systems experts. Now is the time to get smart with your investments. Sign up for a free 14-day trial. Visit tradethetrend.com/TV to sign up now.